Hello everyone, and check out these Carex folding aluminum crutches designed for ultimate portability and comfort. These crutches feature a unique folding system that makes storage and travel incredibly easy for everyone. You can easily adjust the height to fit users from 4 feet 11 to 6 feet 1. Each crutch weighs under 5 pounds, while supporting individuals up to 250 pounds with ease. Thick blue padded cushions provide extra comfort for your underarms and hands during daily use. Their compact design allows them to fit perfectly into overhead compartments or small car trunks. This complete set offers a reliable and lightweight solution for anyone needing dependable mobility assistance. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.